Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a shared drive in Google Drive. This is perfect for teams, projects, or groups that need one central place to store and work on files together. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we will create a new folder. You can type the name directly, or you can click the New Folder button. Let's name it our shared folder. Once it's created, you will see the folder appear in your drive. Now, we will right-click the folder and select Share. A window will pop up called Share. Here, we can add the people we want to share the folder with. We can add more people the same way. Once we've added everyone, we can click here to set each person's role: commenter, viewer, or editor. Let's set them as viewer for now. Make sure to double-check that all the settings are correct before moving on. We can also remove someone if needed. Now let's go back to the Share settings. Right-click the folder again and open Share. Under General Access, we will change the access to anyone with the link. This means anyone who has the link can open the folder. Simply click Anyone with the link, and then copy the link and share it with your team. Once that's done, we can start to upload files and documents into the folder. We can also create docs, sheets, slides, forms, and more directly inside this folder. If we want team members to be able to make changes, we can set them as editors. That way, everyone can add or edit files, so all team members or classmates can contribute to this shared folder. The shared drive is now ready for collaboration. The whole team can access, organize, and work on files together with ease.